Good morning, children. Today we are learning worksheet number 2. A passage is given about the two girls. What is that? Let's see. Neha and Meghna were two naughty 8-year-old twins. They loved to play cricket. One day, as they were playing in the garden, Neha hit a wild shot and the ball went flying over the compound wall. Meghna was very annoyed. Now they would have to go all the way to the main road to reach their neighbor, Mrs. Gupta's garden. So here they are very naughty. The two girls are very naughty and they are of 8-year-old. Twins. Means similar their faces will be. They are twins. They look similar. And they love to play cricket. So one day what happened? Neha hit a very big shot with the bat. So the ball went in the Mrs. Gupta's garden. Now they have to go and search their ball. So because of that, Meghna become very annoyed that they have to go through the main road to get the ball, and that too in Mrs. Gupta's garden. She might be a woman of a strict nature. Neha said she was sorry, but she had an idea. She pointed to the old ladder leaning against the wall. She suggested that they climb up the ladder and jump down to the other side. In less than a minute, they were in Mrs. Gupta's garden. Neha, among these two girls, Neha was sorry because she hit very hard so that the ball crossed their compound wall and reached in Mrs. Gupta's garden. And then she shown the old ladder which is placed. Here you can see the two girls are climbing on that. This is called as a ladder. Leaning against the wall means keeping along the wall. That is called leaning. And as most of the children have the habit of leaning towards the wall. If you are standing properly, you will not stand. You will take the support of the land, the wall. It is called leaning. Then she suggested that they will climb up the ladder and jump on the other side. So within a minute they can get their ball back. They can reach in a Mrs. Gupta's garden. Let's see what has happened. Did they reach or not? As they went near the window to pick up the ball, Meghna sniffed the air. She could smell something delicious. Neha realized that it was the smell of cakes. But how? They asked Mrs. Gupta for the cakes. That would be rude. When the two girls reached near the window of this Mrs. Gupta, Meghna could smell something that is delicious. Some good thing is cooking over there, as they are the children of 8 years old. So they'll have a thing. that they want to eat it. As if we are passing nearby in the streets, we love to eat some things, whatever is cooking or present over in the market, isn't it? In the same way, they realize that they also have to eat something, but they cannot ask Mrs. Gupta, isn't it? That is not a good manners. This time, Meghna had an idea. She knocked on the door. When Mrs. Gupta opened the door, Meghna asked her if she would like to play with them. Their neighbor smiled and asked what the girls would like to play. Meghna replied that they could play zoos. The twins would be the animals and Mrs. Gupta would be the zookeeper who would feed them. See here how clever these girls are. What they did, she went to her home, knocked the house and said that, "Will you play with us?" She said, "What a woman will play with the children." So they said that we'll play the game of zoo. So we are the animals, so you should provide the food to the zoo animals, to whom you need to give food. This was the cleverness of these two girls. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.